Mother Nature by George MacDonald. Read for LibriVox.org by Raven Notation. 2013. RavenNotation.wordpress.com. Beautiful mother is busy all day, so busy she neither can sing nor say, but lovely thoughts in a ceaseless flow through her eyes and her ears and her bosom go. Motion, sight, and sound, and scent, weaving a royal, rich content. When night is come, and her children sleep, beautiful mother her watch doth keep. With glowing stars in her dusky hair, down she sits to her music rare, and her instrument that never fails is the hearts and the throats of her nightingales.